Hi dear Capricorn, how are you guys doing? So this is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all those who are in separation right now or are in no contact with their person at all. So this is a reading from 26th of April till 3rd of May, okay? So keep this in mind, this is only for those who are in separation or who are in no contact with each other right now, okay? So this is kind of your energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and the expected outcome from their side, what to expect from them till 3rd of May, and one card from the Love Oracle deck as a message. So let's quickly tap into your current energy, Capricorn. Your current energy right now is Ace of Swords. I feel like you are feeling victorious about something or somebody. You are feeling like this particular victory. You got some kind of victory. You are feeling victorious. You are feeling you got this victory after hell lot of pain, after hell lot of going through shit. So I feel like you are feeling victorious about something in your life, and this is some kind of victory that you got after so many obstacles, so many challenges, so many drama, so many painful memories attached to it, or so right now you are starting a brand new thing in your life and you are very proud of this thing, feeling victorious about something. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords, Judgment, Three of Wands, and the Fool. I feel like you have forgiven somebody in your life. You have forgiven somebody in your life. You give them forgiveness. You forgive them. Basically, it is like the Judgment card is to me is telling that you are judging your past and you are forgiving them for what they did to you, and you are turning your back to them. You are permanently now going backwards, like turning your back towards this particular person, and now you are ready to have a brand new beginning in your life. That is why you are feeling victorious. That is why you are feeling successful in gaining this victory. That is why you are feeling like, yes, I deserve this victory because I worked the hell lot of work for it. I did a hell lot of work for it, and that is why I deserve this victory. Okay, that is why you are feeling victorious. That is why you are feeling happy because you have forgiven somebody from the past. I don't feel this person came to you and said sorry to you, but you are just like, okay, I'm giving you this forgiveness, whether you say it or not. So Capricorn, this is a beautiful energy, and I'm so sorry for my words, my fumbling. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I fumble a lot. Maybe because English is not my first language, that is why I become some kind of conscious. So bear with me. All I want to say is I want to improve my English, and that is why I do the videos in English. And the second thing is, let's tap into a partner's energy. Okay, so your energies of feeling victorious after going through a hell lot of painful situation, hell lot of painful memories, hell lot of this and that bullshit. Now you are feeling victorious and happy. Finally, you are starting a new chapter in your life. Okay, your partner's energy or your person's energy, you can say, is the sun. Happiness. They're happy. They are, or at least they are acting very happy in front of you. Okay, if not they are really happy. They are acting that like they are very happy. They are in this zone of, yes, everything is beautiful, everything is fine, I am totally brand new now, I am a very beautiful person, I can do anything I want in my life, I have all the bullshit energy, blah 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 blah. So your partner is basically happy. The sun card is the most happiest card in the deck, and they are in this happy zone. Let's see the sun. Why are they so happy? Let's clarify the sun. Six of Cups, Knight of Cups, and Two of Swords. I told you. This person is missing you. They are feeling nostalgic about situations. They are going through a lot of past memories with you. They are nostalgic about you and they are feeling love towards you. They are developing feelings for you. Now they are feeling like, yes, I do have feelings for this particular person. And they might be in the past they were closed off. Might be they in the past they were like, I don't want to talk to you. I don't love you. I don't need you. This is bullshit. This particular relationship with you, this connection with you is not working anymore. So whatever the reason is, right now they are making you feel like they are very happy, but not, they are not, they are not at all happy. They are just showing you that they are very happy because I feel like you have moved on from this particular person. Now shit is happening to them. Now they are feeling nostalgic. They feel like yes, they have feelings for you, but they are not, but they are not showing these feelings to you because this is kind of closed. The two of swords is a closed energy, and they are emotionally off. They are not at all telling you that they have feelings for you, but they do have. And that is why they are trying to make them look very very happy in front of you at least. Yeah, that is what is happening. They are showing you that they are very happy. Sometimes if somebody is showing you that they are very happy intentionally, you can sense it. Okay, you can sense it that there's something missing, that there is something wrong in this particular person's situations. Okay, so what they feel about you, what they feel about you, Capricorn, what they feel about you. Eight of Wands. They want to communicate with you. They want to have back and forth communication with you. Might be this person wants to talk to you like 7 hours a day, every day. So basically, this person wants communication with you. They want to talk to you. They want to have this relationship again in their life. Maybe not the relationship again in their life, but they're missing the sweet. They are missing the sweet talks. They're missing the long hours of talk that you guys had in the past. Or basically, they are missing. They're missing you. They're missing the past memories. They're missing the past things. They're missing the sweet things that you guys had together in the past. So let's clarify the Eight of Wands. Why they want this back and forth communication with you now? Why they want this back and forth communication with you now? Ace of Wands, the Devil, the Queen of Wands. Okay, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, might be, it is also possible. So I feel like this person now wants to have a brand new beginning with you, not as in a relationship thing, but they want to communicate with you, and they are very very passionate about you. This communication, they are somewhat obsessed with you. They are somewhat feeling like yeah, they are addicted to you. Maybe they are codependent on you, or maybe they are possessed. Or maybe they are obsessed with you, not possessed with you. I'm sorry. So they might be obsessed with you, and they are clear about their intentions. They are now getting the mental clarity, like yes, I am somewhat obsessed with this person. I want to talk to them. I want to have this communication with them. So they are feeling little obsessed with you, and that is why they want to have this communication back with you. Maybe now you are not communicating with them. Maybe now you are not talking to them, and that is why now they are obsessed with you, because you are holding back, because now you are victorious. Now you're living your own life. Now you're not giving shit to this past person, and that is why they are now in this zone of I want this person back, I want this person back. This is human psychology. If you pull back from somebody, they will come running back to you. So what they want, they are feeling obsessed with you, a little obsessed with you, and they feel the need of communication with you, back and forth communication with, not just to communicate, just but lots of communication. What they want from you is the King of Wands, passion, energy, communication again. They want from you a lot of communication, a lot of physical touch, intimacy, and cuddling, and might be sex as well. So basically, this person wants to have a lot of physical exchange, physical energy exchange with you, and lots of passionate uh, cuddles, kisses, and all that thing. Okay, let's clarify the King of Wands, what they are passionate about right now. The World, the Temperance, and the Four of Swords. Okay. I feel like this person is passionate about you after the everything is over, after they have balanced their emotions. After, now I feel like after thinking about this particular situation patiently, after taking some time for this particular situation to grow into something. Now they are realizing that how much important are you to them. Okay, now they are realizing your worth. Now they are coming back. Now they are trying to come back to your life and sneak into your life again, because I feel like this completion of this cycle, the breakup, the separation, made them realize that yes, they have lots of emotions for you, and they were holding back from a very long time. Maybe they were holding back a lot from you, and now they want this passion ignited thing back from you. Okay, this is what is happening. So what to expect from this person till 3rd of May, Capricorn? What to expect from this person till 3rd of May? I sometimes black out because of the typhoid thing. So what to expect from this person till 3rd of May? Holding back again, Seven of Wands. Although they are very passionate, although they are feeling hell lot of emotions for you, although they feel like yes, you are the person for them. They are obsessed with you, kind of obsessed with you. They are still holding back. They are not coming towards you and telling you all this, but they are going through a lot emotionally. Okay, so let's clarify the Seven of Wands, why they are holding back or why they are standing their own ground. They are going to repeat the same cassette again and again, repeat the same thing again and again. I'm okay without you, I'm happy without you, I don't want you in my life, like that. But deep down they know that they want it. Okay, the Seven of Wands. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands. Ten of Cups, the Ten of Swords, and the Three of Swords. My God. Yeah, this person is holding back because they feel like you could be their potential partner in the future, and they are feeling backstabbed by you because they are feeling heartbroken, very very sad, deeply heartbroken over you. They are feeling like, how come you have started something else with somebody else? How come you have not waited for them, or how come you have not reached to them or talked to them before going towards somebody else? And that is why they are feeling backstabbed by you, they are feeling betrayed by you, and they are very very heartbroken over this thing. They are very very sad, they are very very like, oh my god, this is not happening. And this person is not going anywhere, this Capricorn is not going anywhere, because I'm obsessed with them now, I want them, I want the relationship thing with them. But they are holding back, although they want all this bullshit with you, but they are holding back because the ego is there, because they want to make you see that how happy they are without you as well. Okay, and the bottom of the card is the Ace of Pentacles. This is a brand new energy coming in towards you. Maybe you are starting all over again with somebody else, Capricorn, and that is why they are so jealous of you now. They are so jealous of you. I don't know what is happening, but this person is not coming back anytime soon, and because of their big ego, big ass ego. And yeah, but they're completely shattered and heartbroken and feeling betrayed by you, and there's no fault of yours at all in this. This is good. This is kind karma slaps you on your face when you do something bullshit with anybody else, right? Yeah, Capricorn. So let's pull one card from Love Oracle deck as a message, or you can say as a guidance from the universe. Yes, okay. Outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. Stop doing that if you're doing that. If you are replaying all the old events in your mind again and again. Okay, Capricorn. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, this is Anjali Tarot. Thank you.